after a nice ass event. This is how I'm gonna go ahead and celebrate that. Goddamn me. Oh yeah. Went on and got my papadilla, goddamn me. The same one I had the other day, the bacon, chicken, the barbecue ranch. Goddamn me. I'm about to take this down through the oil fine. Look at that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Goddamn me, yummy. Somebody commented that I ripped this thing wrong. I can't remember who it was in my message. So this time I'm going to try to see if I can rip it right. There's a line right here. So let me go for that right here. Man, this thing is so yummy. I can eat like 10 of these in one day. Hold on, y'all. I gotta try to make it work out. This thing is so hot. Let me go and dig in this real quick. Hold on. Yummy. The barbecue sauce blends right in with that chicken. The season that they have on this papadilla with the flavor from the bacon all blends in like right on point. Motherfucking yummy, goddamn me. Alright. Y'all know what it is. I gotta go because I gotta eat. Enough of the talking.